Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a BMW 1 Series airbag. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Disconnect your car's battery and wait for at least 10 minutes to ensure all power is drained from the system. This prevents accidental deployment. Make sure your steering wheel is centered and locked in position. Having the right tools will make the process much smoother and safer. Now, let's get to the airbag unit itself. You'll find two small access holes, usually on the back or sides of the steering wheel. Carefully insert a small flathead screwdriver into these holes. You're looking to engage and release the spring clips that hold the airbag in place. Apply gentle, consistent pressure, and you should feel the clips disengage. Once the clips are released, the airbag unit will slightly pop out. Gently pull it away from the steering wheel, but don't yank it. You'll see the electrical connectors attached to the back. These usually have small tabs that need to be pressed or slid to release them. Take your time and disconnect each one carefully, noting their positions for when you put everything back together. With the connectors detached, you can now fully remove the airbag. Store it safely, face up, in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. When you're ready to reinstall, reverse these steps. Double-check all electrical connections and ensure they are secure. Make sure the airbag clips engage firmly, giving a satisfying click to ensure it's properly seated and safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.